What's your favourite toy?
My favourite toy is the Surveillant family, and
Are you going to show me?
yeah, my Surveillant family has lots of small stuff you have to mind. And this hat belongs to this man because he cooks and he's a good man. And these people are really good to play with and they're really cute. And when you have some little things for it like this, you have little bells and you have one of these things to make it look really real. So
And what are you going to get for Christmas?
the
Or
whole
Santa
thing,
Claus?
the whole thing for the Surveillant family is the bedrooms, the relaxing place, and the lovely lamps for them.
Okay.
Relaxing room.
And anything else?
You could get their own more Surveillant families, things like the meerkats, all that stuff for over down here, and have a little light to turn on like that. And all you and you go get meerkats for them, so you put them down
Okay.
here holding this thing.
Okay, very good.